back to our channel. Let's start with the news today. The United States finally refused to supply combat aircraft to Ukraine. Combat aircraft will not be delivered to Ukraine. The United States of America finally refused to supply combat aircraft for the Ukrainian Air Force. The United States stressed that their delivery, including MiG-29 fighters, is an inappropriate and unjustified step. At the moment, it is known that the issues of providing combat aircraft to Ukraine is completely closed, the key role in which was played by Russian fundamentally tough opposition. The supply of MiG-29 fighters and Su-25 attack aircraft to Ukraine is a dangerous idea on the part of the West. After Russia warned NATO about the consequences of such steps, the West stopped taking such provocative actions, fully aware of what it could result in, the expert remarks. However, at the moment, the West is actively promoting the ideas of supplying air defense systems to Ukraine, in particular the issues of providing the Ukrainian militaries with medium range of air defense systems, S-300 Favorit. From among the weapons that European countries was previously considered. Despite the active interventions of the West and the actual pumping of Ukraine with weapons, it is reported that fulfillment of tasks by the Russian militaries, as well as the forces of the DPR and LPR, is proceeding according to existing plans. This is the end of our news today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.